Okay, it's me, Turtle, and Vinny. We're gonna shoot paintballs from a paintball gun. See how this works out. Go, Turtle, go.
Shoot that.
No, shoot the tree so we see the colors.
I'm trying.
No, but guys, come on, you put it on the side light.
Let me try.
You waste them all.
Can I try?
Go ahead. You should waste them all. No, for sure.
You guys can't see nothing.
How do I shoot it? No, hey, all right.
Watch your hand.
Hold this.
Retard.
Look through the scope. Look through this. What scope? This little thing. And aim for that. You missed all the bullets.
You bastard. Sorry.
I want to do it again. There's just air.
Hey, stop. You're going to waste the air. We need the air.
Are you just...
That's it for today, folks.